Good day everyone! So welcome sa panibagong YouTube math tutorial natin. This is Math Turo. Today, ang didiscuss natin is all about rational equation, rational inequalities, and rational function. So let's start. So what is a rational expression? When we talk about rational expression, it is a rational expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomial. So we are talking about ratio. So dapat merong comparison between one to the another. So that's how ratio works, no? So another definition would be rational expression can be described as a function where either the numerator, the denominator, or both have a variable on it. So again, pag sinabing rational expression, you are talking about polynomial. So what are the examples of rational expressions? Now, so let's have this following example. So we have here 5 over x squared plus 3x plus 2, all over x plus 2, and last but not the least is 5 over x plus 3. So those are some examples of rational expression. Pero take note, kailangan polynomial muna. Sabi kasi doon sa definition, can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. So we cannot consider a value as a rational expression if hindi ito polynomial. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng polynomial? So, allow me to proceed with the next slide. So, when we say polynomial, a polynomial function is a function that involves only non-negative integer powers or only positive integer exponent of a variable in an equation. So, we were talking about positive exponents. So, we are not allowed to have negative exponents so that we can consider those examples or those values can be considered as rational expression. All right? So, let's have short exercises pertaining to what is a rational expression. So let's have x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x minus 4. Can we consider this one as a rational expression? If your answer is rational expression, therefore you're correct because it is a ratio between two polynomials. All right? Next, how about number 2? 5 over 5x squared. Can we consider this one as a rational expression? If your answer is yes, therefore you're correct because the numerator 3 should be 3, ha? Correction in this case. Okay? The numerator 3 is a polynomial of degree of 0. Next, x squared plus 4x minus 3 all over 5. Can we consider this one as a rational expression? Yes, we can consider this one as a rational expression, which is also a polynomial. So same case with the number 2. How about this? Can we consider this one as a rational expression? If your answer is no, therefore you're correct because we cannot consider this one as a rational expression since the numerator is not a polynomial. Alright, because the value is inside the radical sign. Next, how about this one? X negative 3 or x raised to negative 3 minus 5 all over x raised to 3 minus 1. Can we consider this one as a rational expression? If your answer is no, therefore you're correct because the numerator is not a polynomial. How about this one? 1 over x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. Can we consider this one as a rational expression? If your answer is yes, therefore you're correct. So those are some examples pertaining to rational expression. So, ganun tayo dapat matikuloso pagdating sa rational expression. Dapat alam muna natin what is a rational expression. Bakit? Ano bang kahalagahan ng pag-identify ng tama pagdating sa rational expression? Kasi, doon naka-anchor yung susunod nating pag-uusapan. Kasi, when we talk about rational equation, inequality, and function, dapat it is a rational expression. So we cannot consider a rational equality equation or function if the given is not in a rational expression. So, without further ado, let's go to our main topic. So, let's start discussing what is a rational equation. When we talk about rational equation, it is an equation involving rational expression. So, kakasabi ko lang kanina, we cannot consider a value kung ito ay rational equation kapag hindi ito rational expression. So, ganun lang siya kadali, no? Maka-consider lang natin na rational equation yung isang given kapag ito ay rational expression. Ano po yung natatangi para malaman natin na ito ay rational equation? Dapat po may equal sign. So, dapat, it is a rational expression at the same time, dapat may equal sign sa kanila para ma-consider natin na yung given natin is a rational equation. So, clear, no? Again, pag sinabing rational equation, it is an equation involving rational expression. Sunod, rational inequality. So, rational inequality, same with equation, dapat ito ay rational expression. So, ano ang kinaibahan ng equation sa inequality? The symbol right here will become less than or equal. Okay, so yun po yung isang example or symbol involving inequality. So marami pa. We have three more. So we have greater than or less than, greater than, and less than. So those are the four symbols that we may encounter if we're gonna talk about rational inequality. Next, rational function. So what do you mean by rational function? A rational function is a function in the form of f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial function, and we have conditions. We have condition right here. No, the q of x is not a zero polynomial. We are not allowed to have zero polynomial in our denominator. It is just because kapag nangyari po yan, it is undefined. So therefore, we cannot solve at we can consider this one as a polynomial function. So yun po yung tatlo, no? Rational equation, rational inequalities, and rational function. Yung tatlo na yon, pag-aaralan natin as we go along rational function or the chapter under rational expressions. So, now, let's proceed with the next slide. So, ito po yung example ng rational function. No? So, f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 2. So, let's have this. Identify which of the following are rational functions. So, sino dito ang makonsider natin as rational function? So, let's have first. F of x is equal to x plus 5 all over x plus 6. Can we consider this one as a rational function? If your answer is yes, therefore you're correct because it is a function, a polynomial function between your numerator and your denominator. So both are polynomial function. Next, how about square root of x all over x plus 2? Can we consider this one as a rational function? If your answer is not, therefore you're correct because this one cannot consider as a rational function because of the numerator. Next, how about the number 3? X plus 2 all over 2 plus x raised to 3 over 4 minus 2x raised to 3. Can we consider this one as a rational expression, a rational function rather? If your answer is no, therefore you're correct. We cannot consider this one as a rational function. Last but not the least, how about x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1? Can we consider this one as a rational function? If your answer is yes, therefore you are correct. So that's how you identify between rational function sa hindi po rational function. So sana malinaw na para sa susunod, malalaman natin kung ano ba ang difference sa rational function sa hindi po rational function. So let's have practice exercises. So determine whether the given is a rational function, rational equation, rational equality, or none of this. So we have four choices to choose, right? So let's start number 1. 2 plus x all over x minus 1 equals to 8. What is your answer? Can we consider this one as a function, equation, inequality, or none of this? If your answer is equation, rational equation, therefore you are correct because this example is a rational equation consisting of an equal sign. Kaya po siya naging rational equation. How about this? Can we consider this one as a function, equation, inequality, or none of this? If your answer is none of this, therefore you're correct. Huwag kayong malilito, hindi porket nakita kayo ng greater than symbol ay inequality na po kagad. No. Dapat ito muna ay isang rational expression. Again ha, ulitin. Hindi porket nakita kayo ng greater than or less than ay agad inequality na yon. Hindi po. Dapat ito muna ay isang rational expression. Saka lang po siya magiging rational inequality. Alright? Number 3, f of x is equal to 6 minus x plus 3 all over x squared minus 5. What is your answer? If your answer is rational function, therefore you are correct. So that's how you identify rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality. So I hope marami na naman tayong natutunan sa ating YouTube tutorial ng ating ngayong araw. So maraming salamat at wag po nating kakalimutan mag-subscribe, pindutin ang notification bell at wag kalimutan i-like yung video natin para sa video natin at sa ganon dumami pa po yung mga video na mapapanood ninyo dito sa akin channel. At wag tayong mahihiyang i-share sa mga classmate natin nang sa ganun marami tayong matulungan sa mga nahihirapan pagdating sa General Mathematics. Yun lamang po. This is Math Turo. Thank you and God bless.